Welcome back to Arch Zenith. What does your space say to you the moment you walk in? Does it whisper, "Welcome home," or does it start shouting a list of everything you've left undone? That tightness in your chest when you see the clutter, the subtle agitation from a room that just never feels right, that isn't just in your head. It's a conversation happening between your environment and your nervous system. And right now, for so many of us, that conversation is pure stress. But what if you could redesign that dialogue? What if your home could actively soothe your anxiety, quiet the mental noise, and become your ultimate partner in mental well-being? This isn't about magazine perfect interiors. This is about neuroaesthetic design, the art of crafting spaces that don't just look good, but actually feel good on a deeply neurological level. Let's build your sanctuary together. Segment 1. Cultivate a sense of control, your sanctuary command center. Our brains crave order, especially when the outside world feels chaotic. A disorganized space visually shouts demands at us, perpetuating a low-grade state of stress. The first step toward a mental well-being home isn't a massive renovation. It's about establishing what I call the Sanctuary Command Center. This is about creating predictable, orderly systems that give your brain a rest. Think microzones, instead of aiming for a perfectly minimalist whole house, which can feel intimidating. Identify the 3 spots that cause you the most daily friction. Is it the drop zone by the door that becomes a chaos crater? The kitchen counter that disappears under clutter? Designate and design these zones with intention. A simple basket for keys, a dedicated charging drawer, a tray for mail. This is applying the neuroaesthetic design principle of perceptual clarity. When your eye knows exactly where to look for something, it reduces cognitive load. The result: you start your day from a place of agency, not reaction. You're not hunting for your wallet. You're not sidestepping clutter. This foundational sense of control is the bedrock of a stress-free living environment. It signals safety to your amygdala, the brain's alarm center. And a calmer amygdala is the first, non-negotiable step in designing for mental well-being. Segment 2. Engage in mindful minimalism. Curate for calm, not empty. Now, let's talk about your stuff. But forget the harsh, sterile minimalism you see in extreme makeovers. We're embracing mindful minimalism, or soft minimalism. This isn't about having less for the sake of it. It's about having more of what matters, more peace, more breath, more focus. It's the art of curation, where every object in your sightline either serves a vital function or sparks genuine joy. Start with your sightlines, especially from your most used seats. What do you see? A towering stack of books feels heavy. A single, beautiful vase on a clear surface feels light. Practice what I term visual weight management. Group small items into a curated tray. Use closed storage for visually noisy items like remote controls or tech cables. Introduce dopamine decor, but thoughtfully. That means 1 or 2 pieces of art or objects in a vibrant, happy color you love, given room to breathe against a neutral backdrop rather than an overwhelming collage. This process reduces what neuroscientists call visual competition. When fewer items fight for your attention, your mind can actually rest. The space feels intentional, not deprived. You're designing an environment for mental clarity and digital detox spaces, even if your laptop is right there. By curating your possessions with mindfulness, you're essentially curating your mental state. Segment 3. Forge a biophilic connection. It's deeper than a potted plant. We all know bringing in plants is good, but the trend for 2026 is moving beyond just greenery into deep biophilia. This is about creating a primal, multisensory connection to nature within your home to actively lower cortisol levels. It's one of the most powerful tools in the mental well-being design toolkit. Think of it as programming your space for restoration. Yes, include plants. The more textural and varied, the better. But let's go deeper. Dynamic light is key. Can you maximize natural light in the morning? Use warmer, dimmable bulbs in the evening to support your circadian rhythm. Introduce natural, tactile materials. A chunky knit wool throw, a smooth river stone as a paperweight, real wood furniture with visible grain. Soundscaping matters too. A small tabletop fountain, or even playing subtle nature sounds, can mask jarring urban noise. Finally, create a biophilic vignette, a dedicated corner for this connection. A comfortable chair by the best window, with a plant, a natural fiber rug, and a throw. This becomes your anchor point for a stress-free living ritual. 5 minutes there with your morning tea, without a screen, just observing the light shift on the leaves, is a form of spatial therapy. Your space isn't just looking pretty, it's actively engaging your senses to promote recovery and peace. Designing for mental well-being isn't about achieving perfection. It's about progress, intention, and creating a home that feels like it's on your team. Start with one command center. Curate one shelf. Deepen one connection to nature. Your mind will thank you. If you're ready for more, we've got a deep dive on choosing calming color palettes for your neurotype. And subscribe for more ways to design a life and a home you love living in. Until next time, breathe easy.